Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maz Natural, and today's video I am going to show you guys how I make my homemade rose water. Now you've been asking me a while what I use on my skin, and this is what I use every day, every night, just simply to cleanse and moisturize my skin. And I'm going to show you how I make it. I also use it on my hair as well, so you'll see it in the video how I prepare the rose water. So obviously you'll need your roses, you need some spring water, you need some containers to store the excess rose water, and a spray bottle and a funnel to pour the rose water in, and of course your beautiful bunch of roses. So you need a pan obviously to boil the roses, and a glass container to wash the roses. So first of all, I'm gonna pour some of the spring water. You can use also distilled water, so it will help the solution to last a bit longer, but try not to use tap water because you're going to keep it for a while, so you want to use the water which is purified. So basically you just fill your pot and you put that on the cooker, but try not to fill it too much because you want the rose water to be as concentrated as possible. And I know I'm being extra, I'm wearing gloves because it's quite prickly, these thorns on the roses, and I don't want to get pricked by the thorns, so hence why I've got the gloves, but I will take them off eventually. And you just basically cut the roses off. You can actually just pull them off, to be honest, but I just wanted to show you in detail exactly what I do. So you basically just, pull the petals off and place them in the bowl. Now roses, these roses were like only £3 a bunch, 2 for £5 to be honest. I should have got 2 so I could just store some in the house, but I just got 1 bunch to show you that you don't really need a lot. It depends how much you're going to make, but this bunch made quite a lot of rose water, so that was fine for me. So I basically just peeled the petals and just put them in the bowl ready to be rinsed. Now you must make sure that you wash the petals thoroughly, just in case there's any bugs or any unwanted bits and bobs in the rose petals. The inside of the rose, the seeds, I kind of took those bits out, but all you need is the petals. That's the main part, is the petals. And as I mentioned in my other video, the other skincare video that I made, rose water has good benefits. It helps maintain the skin's pH balance. It controls excess oil. It's a great cleanser, and it aids in removing oil and dirt accumulated in clogged pores, and it's good for dark circles. And the benefits for the hair: it controls an oily scalp, reduces dryness, repairs hair damage, improves hair growth, and reduces dandruff. So here I'm just rinsing out the petals, making sure that they're as clean as possible before I put them on the cooker to boil. So once I've rinsed them, I just drain off the excess water, and you notice I'm using purified water as well to rinse the petals. That's a virgin water filter that I've got there, and I always use that to rinse vegetables and all sorts. I use that water because it's clean. It's clean. It's purified. It's like filtered. That's what I meant to say. It's filtered water. So once you've rinsed the petals, you bring it over to the cooker, and I've got the pot. Now you don't want the water boiling, you just want it kind of hot, so you're kind of steaming the petals rather than burning the living daylights out of them. So you just place and that's why I had the gloves on, because I didn't want to get burnt by the water. So you just put the petals into the pot and make sure that you see how as soon as you put the petals in the pot, they start to change color to kind of like a bright pink. So you basically know that they are cooking nicely. See that beautiful pink color? That's what you want. And you just want enough water just to cover the top of the petals. You don't want to drown them, but you don't want too little water either, just enough. And once you've covered the petals, then you just pop the lid on to steam it down nicely for around about 20 minutes. So as you can see, the petals are cooked. And all you do is strain out that beautiful rose water. You can see how rich and how red that rose water is. That is all pure goodness. So what I do, I squeeze out as much as the rose water as I can, because you just don't want to waste any. So this is what it looks like once you've squeezed as much of the rose water out. Put it into your jug, and then from your jug you put it into your spray bottle and your glass containers. There's the rose water, looks lovely and rich, ready to use. And your excess you put into your glass containers. Now you can add essential oils. This is the lavender essential oils that I'm going to add to the rose water. So I'm going to put some in the spray bottle. Because this is small, you don't need a lot. So probably around about 3 or 4 drops of the essential oils, because it's quite concentrated. And once you've added the essential oils, then give it a good shake, because as you know, oil and water don't mix. So when you use that for your hair, you make sure that you give it a shake before you spray it onto your hair. And the jars, because they're a bit bigger, I put about 10 drops in each of the jars. And then I'm going to store them jars in the refrigerator to prolong the life. And it's so nice actually putting them in the fridge, because once you use the rose water on your skin, it's so cold and it's so good for your skin. Really, really good as a toner and a cleanser, taken straight from the fridge. So I normally store mine in the fridge, and if I store it in the bathroom, it's only for about a week or 2. And there you have it, guys. So simple. Spray that onto your hair, on your skin, and it will keep it moisturized. In the next clip, I'm going to show you how I've cleansed my skin with the rose water and put it on my hair. It's absolutely beautiful. Feels so great. So guys, this is the finished look. So I basically use the rose water, my homemade rose water, and lavender oil. So I use essential oils, lavender essential oils, just to prolong the life of the product, because obviously this hasn't got any chemicals or stuff in it. It's as natural as it can be. So just to prolong the life, I just put a bit of essential oils into the product. and also into the rose water for my hair. But the added thing I put in the rose water was the vitamin E oil. That was what I put into this. So basically, you know, oil and water don't mix, so obviously you give it a good shake before you spritz it over your hair. Now just spritz it and you can see how the roots are shining. You see that? And I washed my hair 2 days ago. By the time you get this video, it will be 2 days. And it looks so moisturized. Use it on my ends and show you. You get a really good, trying to get as close as I can, really good shine. The skin, I've got a couple of blemishes. One's come up here on my nose, you can see that, and one's here. But that's because if you guys have watched my other video, the skincare video I did last week, I used the clay mask, which pulls everything out, all the dirt in your skin. It draws it to the surface, so you may get a few blemishes, but that will disappear in time. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be alerted of my up and coming videos. So let me know in the comments, guys. Give it a try, share this video, and yeah, save yourself some money. If you've tried any of my products, then let me know in the comments below, and importantly, let me know if they've actually worked for your locks or your skin. So as always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah.